Hello there everyone, G-Mech again back with another video. Here I am at Canoe Creek State Park, finishing up supper, cooking up some things, because unfortunately we're leaving here tomorrow. So another part of my video here that I just recently learned, and I thank you to the searches I did for on YouTube, that cooking corn this way tastes very, very good. But we're enjoying our stay here at Canoe Creek State Park. You can see over there is cabin 4. We're staying in cabin 3. I showed that in my first video on this series. But yeah, this is pretty nice here. Just thought I'd give you this here about cooking corn. I did a search on a bunch of recipes out there. I can't take the credit for it, but thought it was very good that all you do is you take your corn and throw it on the fire like that for 20 minutes, turning them about every few minutes, and the stalk will get pretty brown, and the corn will turn very yellow inside within 20 minutes or so, depending on how your fire is. So I thought I'd just show that on too, that making corn on a campfire tastes mighty good. So I'll have some more videos on this our adventure here. We're going to do a little fishing here shortly. So thank you for watching. This is G-Mech. Thank you for subscribing, and we'll see you next time. And oh yeah, by the way, keep on wrenching.